Hello, it's Chris from Phillip Trucktrech here in Forfar. This month our managers have a heap of Iveco dailies on special offer, and as all good managers do, they take credit for the fantastic deals and send us minions out to do the donkey work for them. So first up is this Iveco daily double cab tipper. So this is the Iveco daily 35C14 double cab tipper. It is a 3750 wheelbase, and as you can see it's got dual rear wheels. It's got double cab, so it seats 7 people comfortably in it. The body is an Ingimex tipping body, well renowned in the tipper market, so a very high quality body built on a high quality vehicle. So this vehicle is plated at 3.5 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's a 2.3 litre engine, 140 brake horsepower. But this vehicle has a staggering 7 tonne train weight, so if towing's your thing, you'll get a 3.5 tonne towing capacity on this, no problem at all. So this is a 7-seat crew cab vehicle, 4 seat belts in the back as you can see, and also under this bench seat a heap of storage space there for you. So a nosy in the front of the cab, 3 seats as standard as you would expect to find. This vehicle is a 6-speed manual gearbox and has a Bluetooth DAB radio. Included in the manager's special price of $39,995 plus the VAT and road tax, the vehicle comes with a 3-year 100,000 miles warranty. It comes with a 3-year 2XL service package, which basically means you get oil top-ups and servicing to manufacturer standards, and also we'll throw in some mats and seat covers for good measure as well.